In this video, I will show you how to fix Claude application not working. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. If your connection is weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. You can also turn on the flight mode or airplane mode for a few seconds. After a couple of seconds, you want to turn it off. This is going to refresh your network connection and may resolve the issue. Now open Claude and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to open Play Store or App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar and here search Claude. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now wait for some time until the application has been downloaded and updated. After that, open Claude and check if the problem is fixed. Next, you want to clear the app's cache. For that, open up your device settings, scroll down and find apps, tap on that. A list of applications will be shown. From here, you want to locate Claude and tap on that. Now tap on the option of storage. Here, tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data, but you will have to log into your account again if you select that. Now open the Claude application. If the problem is still there, then you want to check if there is any issue with the Claude server. For that, open up any web browser. Then type in Claude status, tap on this website and check if there is any issue with the Claude server. If there is, then you simply want to wait until this issue gets fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.